Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me while I make this delicious banana pound cake. So I have 3 sticks of soft butter. We're just going to cream that for a couple of minutes until it's light and airy, and then we're going to add our other ingredients. There you go. On high, okay? Like that. Turn it off for a minute. Now we're going to add, let me show you what I have here. I have 2 cups of white granulated sugar and a cup of brown sugar. We're just going to add this in here and let it get nice and creamy, and then we're going to add our eggs. Okay, that took about a minute. Now I have 6 eggs here. We're going to add them in one at a time. That's to make sure that your eggs are well combined. Slow down for a minute. I messed around and dropped 2 in there at a time. Let's get this in here. And I'm going to let this go for about 3 minutes. I turned it down so you can hear me, but I have 3 bananas here. We need about a cup, and this should do it. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to just mash them up with my immersion blender. This should do it. Some of them are big clumps in there. Okie doke. Excuse me. That's just a little more than the cup. But it'll be fine. We're going to add this in. Turn this back up. I have some vanilla extract, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon. Might be a little more, but it's not going to hurt nothing. It ain't going to hurt. Some vanilla. This is about a teaspoon and a half. That should do it. I'm feeling some type of way. Let me add a little bit more. Okay. And every now and again, you're going to have to stop it and spread around the sides, okay? Let's get this mixed. Jump out. Okay, right here I have 3 cups of flour and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and just a pinch of salt. And I sifted my flour. You don't have to, but I wanted to. Now this is where it gets crazy. Hopefully it doesn't. Here I have a cup of sour cream, so I'm going to alternate, okay? That's what I was about to tell you. Take your time. You're going to have flour everywhere. All in your face, all over everywhere. That's a mess to clean out. Whoops, see what I mean? Take your time. Baby, you can do it. Take your time, do it right. You turn it down a bit. Got enough to clean up. Okay. Let's get some of this sour cream in here. Turn it up and let it do its thing. It's the last bit of the flour. And I'm going to add some walnuts that I have chopped really fine. A cup. But you know, if you don't want walnuts or any nuts in there, just don't add them in. Because somebody here loves nuts. All kinds. Mostly peanuts though. So I have the walnuts. See how I have them chopped? I'm going to add these in and let them have a go around for about a minute or 2. And then we'll be done. Well, not done. We're done with this part, okay? That's it. Only about a minute. It's a beautiful batter. And we're just going to go in here and make sure that it's mixed from the bottom up. We take this up. Get as much as I can off of here. Because it's delicious. There we go. I'll sit that right there. Where's my hand? I think we got it all in there from the bottom up. Here's my pan that I sprayed down really well. And I'm going to dip it first because this bowl right here is super heavy. I kid you not. After I get some of it out, and then I'll pick it up. Try not to make a horrible mess. I hate that. You make a mess, you have to clean it up. So try not to, right? Look at that. Look at here. Give me a sec. Here we go. Got enough to do lots of sharing, which is why I made so much. A big cake. But I didn't. Here's another choice instead of having to make banana pudding all the time. It's another sweet treat that they'll love. Wait till you see what I'm putting on top of it. Oh, I ain't telling. I'll show you when the time comes, okay? Let me clean this up. I already told you my oven is heated at 325. It's nice and ready. You're going to cook this for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let me see. And it's pretty good though, right? This is to get the air bubbles out as much as you possibly can. You know, you have your cake with all the holes in it. Well, this is supposed to help prevent that, okay? I think it's pretty good. And I'll see you when we come out. When it comes out. Because I'm not going in, right? It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes. Can you see it? Just do a few more. Clean. So we're going to let it cool and then we're going to take it out. It's going to melt 1 stick of butter. And this is salted butter. I'm going to get this melted down. I have 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Let's get that in there. That melted. I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I'm just going to add it in. That was about 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm also going to add some bean paste. Vanilla. Hold on, let me run some hot water on this. Just a tad bit. Boop. That's it. And I have 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Let's go in with that. You're going to cook this on low until it gets nice and smooth and it thickens nicely. You're going to keep stirring it until you can't hear the grit from the sugar anymore. That way you'll know that it's nice and melted. But just keep it on low and keep stirring. See, we're almost there. You don't hear the grit anymore though, do you? No, we're still going to let it cook a bit more. Yeah, it's delicious too. I want to put some on the bottom. So we're going to flip this cake over. There we go with that right here. We got it everywhere. Put that there. It's still pretty hot. It's going to burn it too. Still hot. Beautiful. I'm still going to let it cool. I'm going to let this stay going on low. And then we're just going to drizzle it all over this delicious cake, okay? Shoot. If this don't make your sweet tooth happy, I don't think anything will. Let's see. I just wanted to drizzle down the sides pretty much because there's plenty on top. Let's put some right here. Jeez. Thanks so much for being here, and I hope to see you the next time I upload a video. But don't forget to tap that bell, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you thought of my video. It would be greatly appreciated. Later.